Hello everyone, welcome to my K&K page. Today I wanted to show you guys how to make vegan meat. So we're going to start off with some seasoning salt, black peppercorn, onion powder, garlic powder, of course. I love garlic. Seitan, 1 pack. You don't need more than 1 pack. And you can use some liquid Bragg's Aminos as well, and just a couple pinches of liquid smoke to give it a smoky flavor. Now I've included my tortillas because I'm making a specific recipe, and right here you just see me pretty much chopping up the seitan into a bunch of little pieces so I can go ahead and get ready to cook it. So this is what it looks like when it's all chopped up, and we're going to go ahead and get started.